Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the citation generator in the OneSearch Catalog as well as one of our special databases today. So in the OneSearch Catalog, you can see here I have done a search. If you scroll over one of these sources, to quickly cite this source, you can go up to the three dots here on the mini toolbar of the source. If you click that, there is a citation function. If we exit out of this, you'll find the same function within the actual brief record. So if you go up here and you hit citation again, you will see there are 4 different citation styles you can pick from. Some databases will have more citation styles to pick from, but for OneSearch, we just have these 4. So for your ethnic studies writing assignment, you will need to use MLA citation style. Double check with your professor if they are okay with you using the 8th edition. There is a 9th edition out now. The changes are minimal between the two, but just double check with your professor to make sure. And then you can go ahead and click that copy the citation to clipboard and paste it into your works cited. But always double check for accuracy. Oftentimes these generated citations are slightly wrong, whether that's a misplaced period, something's not italicized, and so on and so forth. Okay, so jumping over into one of our databases, this is called Academic Search Premier. It is hosted by EBSCOhost, which hosts a variety of databases. So to create a citation automatically in this database, if you click on a resource, when you get into the detailed record window, on the right-hand side, there are a list of tools. These can actually be really helpful in helping you be more organized and efficient in your research. So I definitely recommend you to check those out later. But for now, I'm going to click this Cite button here. And this will pull up a variety of different formats. You can already see that there are more citation styles than were offered by OneSearch, which is awesome. And if we scroll down here to the MLA 9th edition, you can go ahead and copy and paste this citation into your works cited. But right away, I already noticed that there are issues with this citation. You can see that all of the names are capitalized, which is incorrect. So go ahead and always double check your citations and make sure that they are accurate and you're not missing points on an assignment for something very small. So that's it for now. If you ever need help with the works cited, please feel free to reach out to a librarian or use our 24/7 live help chat.